How to log out of Discord on all devices. So let's get started with the tutorial. Unfortunately, Discord does not have a direct logout everywhere button like some apps, but here is what you can do. Open the Discord website or simply go to the Discord app and just make sure that you are logged into your Discord account. Once inside the Discord, simply tap on the settings option available right next to your username at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, in the left hand side, you can see devices option available there. Scroll down and tap on the devices. Once you tap on the devices, you will get to see the list of devices that are logged into your Discord account. I'm only logged in my this desktop, so you won't get to see other option available, but you can see reset password option available at the bottom. Simply tap on it and reset your Discord password, and it will be logged out of all other devices that has been logged in Discord account on the devices. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.